Michael, the cake for Jack's birthday is ready, but we need fresh bread, donuts, and some fruits. Here's the list.
Only what's on the list. Budget is $50. No extras. Got it. I'll be quick. Got it, honey. Crystal clear. Bread, donuts, apples. Easy.
Can I go with Dad? I want to help.
Of course, sweetie. I'd love your help.
Yay! This is...
Yes, Emma. Watch your father. Don't let him buy chocolate cake or ice cream. He'll try to...
Don't worry, Mom. Mission accepted. I'll be your spy.
A spy? Be careful. Finally. Just me and Emma. No rules today. Freedom!
Stick to the list, Dad. Or Mom gets the photos.
What photos? Emma, that's not fair.
Life's not fair, Dad.
All right. I'll stick to the list. Why is this bakery parking lot always full?
Look, Dad. That man with the big box of cupcakes is leaving. Follow him.
Okay, Emma, I'm on it.
Hurry, Dad. Don't lose him.
All right. I'm going.
Look, the sweet bake shop.
Good eye, Emma. Oops.
Dad, your parking looks like abstract art.
Oh, come on. It's not that bad. At least we're in. Let's go.
Yay! I can't wait to see the treats.
Me too, kiddo.
Let's go get some.
Welcome! Free coffee sample today.
Free? Yes, please.
Go for it.
Delicious.
Dad, list first.
Okay, Emma, what's first on the list?
We need flour, sugar, and butter.
Got it. Let's go find them. Right. Bread aisle.
Wow, so many kinds.
Let's find the perfect one. White bread or this fancy sourdough? It looks so good.
Dad, plain white bread. $2 a basic.
All right, Emma, the basic loaf it is. But sourdough has that nice crust.
Should I send Mom a picture of you touching the expensive one?
What?
No, don't do that. Come on, it'll be funny.
Fine.
But make it quick.
Fine. White bread it is.
50% off donuts.
60% off? That's a deal. Let's get them. You got it, sweetie. This pink one looks perfect.
But the list says 6 donuts, not 2 boxes.
Are you sure? Emma, this is family love. We need variety. Chocolate, strawberry, glaze.
Michael, Dad, we're over budget already.
It's okay, Emma. We'll figure it out.
But look, we spent so much on these.
We'll make it work, I promise. Shh, no one will know. Quick, grab 2 boxes.
Try our new cinnamon roll. Free! They're fresh from the oven, warm and gooey. Go on, take one.
Delicious. Emma, try one.
They look amazing.
You have to. They're still warm.
All right, you've convinced me.
How about some apples?
Apples. Red ones. Done.
Yay!
Look at these beauties. Apples. Red ones. Done.
Wait, Dad. These organic apples are on sale. Better for health.
Oh, really? They do look good.
They are. And they taste the same.
You're right. Good eye, Emma. Organic? That's double price.
Mom always says health first. Or should I tell her about the donuts?
Emma, you know the rules.
But Dad, look, they're on sale.
We'll see. Your total is $87.45.
$87? Wow, Dad. Here's your receipt. I guess it's worth it. Enjoy. What? $87? We were supposed $50.
Daddy, that's too much.
I know, sweetie. This is way over budget. Ugh, fine. But next time, we're checking prices.
Told you, Dad. Donuts, coffee, organic apples.
All right, you win. Guilty as charged.
See? I knew it. Okay, you got me. Next time we get extra.
We're dead. Mom is going to kill us.
Quick, hide the extra donuts under the bread.
Okay, Emma, I'm on it.
Yes, we did it.
Good idea. Partners in crime.
You're late. Where's the stuff?
Sorry, Anna, traffic was bad. We got the groceries.
Yeah, sorry, Mom.
The stuff I asked for?
They were out. Here, bread, apples, 6.
I got everything on the list. 6. The list said 6, but why 2 boxes? They were on sale. I thought it was a good deal.
It's okay, Anna. We can save them for next time.
Oh, okay. They were on sale?
On sale?
Yes, a really good deal, I promise.
How much of a deal?
Half off, so I got 2.
Wait, I just saw your Instagram story, Michael. Best donut day ever! With photos! Oh, come on, it was just one donut.
One very photogenic donut. Oh, no. $87, really?
I know, it adds up. How? Show me. The delivery fee and the tip. We have to be more careful.
Okay, I promise. It was an accident. Flash sale.
I was there too.
It was just so tempting. I grabbed it and then it slipped.
We can fix it, right?
We'll replace it, I promise.